Hey everyone, I'm trying this out for my Tuesday tech tip. I just wanted to do a quick review. I lost my AirPods. I drive an iPhone every day, and so I had the AirPod Pros. It was my second set of AirPod Pros. My first set of AirPod Pros, one of them I dropped in the toilet at the airport, so I did not go fishing for that, and Data was nice enough to send me another one. The last ones I lost up in Montana. I was able to track them all the way to Helena, and then people reset them. But these, I got the Jabra 7 Elite, the Pros, and they are so far awesome. It'll be interesting to see how good the audio is on this recording, but I've probably put 20 miles on them. They stay in my ear perfectly. They just fit right in there and are unobtrusive. They sound awesome. They have a bass boost. They've got noise cancellation. They're super comfortable. They were about $200. I had a credit at Dell, so I got them there, and they were very easy to set up. There's an app to use with it. And so if you're looking for something other than AirPod Pros, or if you have a phone other than an iPhone, you want something other than AirPods, give these things a try. They are fantastic. I think the best set of headphones I've gotten so far. $200 at Dell or Amazon. Try them out. If you like this tech tip, then follow us. We'll be doing some more reviews, some more ideas for you. Oh, and these also tie into my laptop and my iPad, anything that's Bluetooth. So give them a try. Talk to you later. Have a great week.